Elon Musk's life is getting better and better as the days go by, and what else do you expect from the wealthiest person to ever exist? Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another crazy video by Here Lux Life. Elon Musk's journey has been quite long and more incredible than ever. With Tesla, SpaceX, and the Boring Company, Elon Musk has won not just billions, but also many fan bases and intelligent projects. Although Tesla and SpaceX have been doing well for quite some years now, the Boring Company, on the other hand, hasn't made any significant headlines. But now, finally, in recent days, the Boring Company is on fire. But before I tell you guys about it, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, Here Lux Life, and hit the bell icon to be notified about our new uploads. According to securities filing, Elon Musk's tunneling and transportation startup, the Boring Company, has raised its first outside investment through the sale of $120 million in stock. The details of the authorized sale of stock were first reported by Bloomberg News, which reviewed the filing obtained by Prime Unicorn Index. According to a Boring Company spokesperson, the leading investors in the stock sale were ABC, Vi Capital, Craft Ventures, and Valor Capital, as well as DFJ. Steve Jurvetson, a longtime friend, advisor, and early backer of Musk's other companies SpaceX and Tesla, also invested in this new fund. The investment comes just 2 months since the Boring Company landed a $48.7 million commercial contract to build and operate an underground people mover in Las Vegas. After receiving approval from the Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority, TBC secured the contract in May to build an underground loot system that shuttles people. "We're delighted to be an investor in Boring," said Steve Jurvetson, a venture capitalist with Future Ventures and a director on the boards of Musk's Tesla Inc. and SpaceX Exploration Technologies Corp. Boring is a great example of the disruptive playbook we look for. The investment values the company at about $920 million after the new cash injection. Boring's best-known funding efforts involve less traditional methods, including the sale of hats and flamethrowers, which raised $1 million and $10 million respectively for the business. Boring Company has also built a test tunnel near its headquarters in Hawthorne, California. A hoped-for tunnel in Los Angeles was scuttled after opposition from neighborhood groups. In Chicago, a proposed tunnel's future is in doubt due to the departure of its biggest supporter, former Mayor Rahm Emanuel. A potential project connecting Washington, D.C. and Baltimore is in the environmental review process. Jurvetson said Boring's latest investment was its first considerable fundraising effort beyond tapping into money from Musk and company insiders. Jurvetson, 52, who was a former venture capitalist at DFJ, resigned from the firm in November 2017 amid allegations of harassment that he has denied. He returned to Tesla's board from a leave of absence in April. The 4 longest tunnel companies in the United States were founded in the 1800s, Jurvetson said. Like the automotive and aerospace sectors, they haven't faced a disruptive new entrant in their management's collective lifetime. The initial design for the project, dubbed Campus-Wide People Mover, or CWPM, will focus on the Las Vegas Convention Center, which is currently in the midst of an expansion expected to be completed in time for CES 2021. The newly established Las Vegas Convention Center will span about 200 acres once completed. The Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority, LVCVA, estimates that people walking the facility would travel 2 miles from one end to the other, a distance that prompted officials to find a transportation solution. Since landing the contract in Las Vegas, TBC has ramped up its hiring process as it starts to scale up and move beyond Musk's pet project status. TBC hasn't publicized how many people it employs. Estimates of various sources put it at more than 80 people, although there's evidence of overlap between SpaceX and TBC. Tesla founder Elon Musk plans to celebrate the opening of the Boring Company Las Vegas tunnel projects with a Fallout-themed party, he tweeted Sunday night. The event will take place as soon as allowed due to coronavirus restrictions, he said. So this is what's going on with the Boring Company as of now. In case you want to know, currently, The business's net worth is valued at $920 million, whereas its owner, Elon Musk, has a whopping $182 billion net worth. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and stay tuned to Here Lux Life for more exciting and fun videos in the future.